Okay, we're looking at problem 1 from lesson 1-2, and let's look at the essential understanding. So you can use powers to shorten how you represent repeated multiplication, such as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Instead, I can write it using a power, and a power has two parts. It has a base and an exponent. The base would be my 2, and my exponent would be, for here in this example, 3. For this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my base would be 2, and my exponent would be 6. And that would be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. All right. So you read the power 2, 3 as 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed. You read 5, 2 as 5 to the second power, or 5 squared. You simplify a numerical expression when you replace it with this single numerical value. For example, the simplest form of 2 times 8 is 16. To simplify a power, you replace it with its simplest name. And so that means basically to multiply it out. And so, for example, the simplest form of 2 to the third would be 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So what is the simplified form of the expression? So I have 2 to the 7th, which, I'm sorry, not 2, but 10 to the 7th. And 10 to the 7th is just 10 written out 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when I multiply all of that, I get 10 million. 0.25 to the 5th would be 0.5 times 0.5 5 times. So 0.5 times, excuse me, not 0.5, but 0.2. So 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2, which is 0.00032. Now you want to be careful to not multiply these. So for example, I see a lot of students who do, if I have 3 to the 4th, they automatically say 12. That is wrong, 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 wrong. So I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And I need to multiply that. And if you need to use your calculator, please use your calculator. So I'm going to pull out my calculator. And I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that gives me 81. So that's equal to 81. Next, I have 2 to the third power. 2 over 3 to the third power. So that's 2 over 3 to the third power equals 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. When I multiply fractions, I multiply straight across. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. All right, the last one is 0.5 to the third power. So we have 0.5 to the third power, which is 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. But please remember, that's not 15, but it is. You can use our calculator, or if you already know, but I'm going to do 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5, I get 0.125. I hope this helps.